As a leader, I have plans for running my business. But while I know my financial projections and operational metrics, I haven't had a talent strategy that maps back to my business goals. That's why I turned to the Predictive Index, a leading talent optimization solution built to bridge this gap. Through a combination of science, software, and services, the Predictive Index enables organizations like mine to develop a people strategy that drives business results. It all started with an executive strategy design session. With the guidance of our PI consultant, our leadership team completed a brief assessment to clarify the strategic initiatives our company seeks to accomplish in the next 12 to 18 months. We worked closely with our consultant to simplify our conversation around strategy and ensure we heard all the viewpoints on our team. While our CMO thought we should launch a product to enter a new space, other leaders disagreed. We instead agreed to focus our efforts on setting up a new field sales team to help us expand our business. Once aligned, we evaluated how our talent directly supports our chosen strategy and where there are gaps, such as our leadership team's behavioral style, our organizational structure, or our culture. With a chosen people strategy in mind, the Predictive Index makes it easy to hire the right people for the right roles. When purposefully designing job requirements, I can set the behavioral and cognitive targets of our next account manager. In consulting with the hiring team, I learned that we need to hire someone who is quick to connect with prospects and can take charge of their day. Advanced scientific matching ensures I can find the right candidates for the right roles. Those who are the best fit float to the top of the list, helping to prioritize recruitment efforts. I can even generate a custom interview guide to probe for behavioral gaps and confirm fit. I'll be on my way to hiring my next best employee in no time. Of course, creating a high-performing team doesn't stop with getting the right people in the right seats. With PI, I can better understand myself and those around me to unlock the power of my teams. 17 reference profiles throughout the PI software help me quickly glean insights about others and give me a common language to talk about behavior with my team. And in just a few short clicks, I can see how any two individuals within my organization can work together more effectively. Or I can dive into how a team works together to communicate, make decisions, and execute. PI enables me to optimize my management approach by showing me how I can accommodate my employees' natural tendencies. By recognizing that my employee needs time to think out problems on his own and thrives on private recognition, we've built a stronger reporting relationship. It's important for our organization to measure what matters. That's why we send out a PI employee experience survey. Measuring engagement only matters if you plan to take action. And with PI, our company and managers are given actionable steps to take to address the areas having the biggest impact on overcoming the forces of disengagement within our company. We learned that one of our biggest blind spots is that we don't do a great job communicating a motivating future vision. The Employee Experience Survey helped unearth this for us and then gave us concrete next steps to take to spread the message. PI enables us to focus on what matters most to those that are disengaged and how to overcome those obstacles. Let PI help you hone your talent optimization strategy. Start by designing the right people strategy for your organization. Find the right people for the right roles. Lead your employees and create high-performing teams. Measure the impact of your changes and adjust your strategy accordingly. In short, use PI to crush your business goals. Speak with a PI advisor today to learn more.